3, 4, 25. So we're at my buddy's house, and he's the only buddy who has a four-way switch. So you walk into the door. Which one is it?
The middle.
Okay. So you walk in the door, you turn it on, and the lights are on. You can see it. Let me turn it off so you can see the difference. All right. So I'm standing in the front door, and the lights are on now. And then I walk up to the kitchen, and I decide to just go into the kitchen, and I don't want to walk down there and turn off the lights. So voila, lights are off. But let's just say the lights are off, and then now I turn on the lights again because now I want to go up to the third level. And when I'm at the third level, I don't want to go walk down to the kitchen to turn off the lights. I just want to do it here. Which one is it? That one. There you go. This house does have a four-way switch. So internally, this, if I had to guess, is a three-way switch. The very bottom where the front door is another three-way switch. And over there, that's a four-way switch in there. And so if you were to really test it, you would open that up and you will see that what says input and output. And it has 4 connectors. If you were to open up this, you would see a three-way switch. And one of those wires is going to go up to the lights, and that's called the load. 2 of those wires are traveler wires. And those 2 traveler wires are traveling from there. And the other 2 traveling wires are going to go to the front door. And so basically, you just have a traveling wire going there and a traveling wire going here. And you have power going to the lights. And that's it. All done.